Here's left hand boogie pattern. Three, four. Time for F. I'll go down to F. Wrist down, roll forward, down, and forward. Down, forward, down, forward. Time for G. Time for F. Turn around. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And so on. Here are some exercises for pinky. This is called pinky holds its note. Finger 5 holds its note firmly. I'll do it with the right hand so you can really see. It's kind of a hook. It's kind of a hook. It's not a flat. It's a hook. And from that hook, I flex my wrist up and down, left and right. It's kind of like you might roll your eyeball around all different directions. Meanwhile, the tip of my pinky is staying on the note and it's staying curved like a hook. Now, if it straightens out, that's not too terrible. Even if you play with a flat, it's not too terrible. But in general, if you train yourself to play with a focused, pointed, curved finger that supports the rest of the arm and the hand, that's the best. So that's your moving around exercise. With the left hand, it'd be like this. You can wiggle your elbow, shoulder, wrist, just everything. The idea is the pinky learns to support. Okay, left hand fifths that rotate. This is just an exercise to build up an awareness and strength of the finger 5, so it's just as strong as the mighty thumb. So you're like, do-da, do-da, do, and they have equal volume, equal stature, equal weight. Whoops. You can improvise all day to this if you want. I'm just staying on C. I don't have to practice the exact, 12-bar blues pattern. Now, if I feel like going to F, I'll do it. Rotating one. But if you did it like this, that would be very odd. So don't do it like that. Do it like this. It's rotating. Rotating like a doorknob, doorknob, doorknob. Okay, power chords, power fifths, move them around. These don't have to be loud to be fun. I mean, you could try and make something you enjoy out of this that's fun. This is like a toy, So maybe start with this fifth. And then I pedaled it just for fun. I pedaled it. Now I'll go up to here. 2, 3. Now I'll do a black key one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm pretending like I'm making up a piece. Now I'll do some of those with my right hand also, so you can sort of see what the pinky is still that same structure and support. So I'm doing the same fifth in each hand. I'm letting the pedal catch it. And I lift my wrists. Now I'll go to A just for fun. I like A. I'll do A again. I want to go up to D. Now I want to do some short ones. Back to C. Now we didn't say this in the lesson, but you can do a scale in these fifths like this. You will notice that my wrist drops, lifts, advances. Each one of these little exercises, you should pause and do them, Left hand and right hand power chords. That's what I was showing you already. Oh, it's on the piano, a lot of times you put your hands 2 octaves apart. It sounds good. Now this time, I'll make up a little rhythm like bow, 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 bow. Here I go. 2 octaves apart. Fifths. Like I'm holding an orange. Bow, 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 So I'm encouraging you with that to have fun. Take a little break, make the last part.